I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken key latch on a 90 Coupe Quattro. Apparently, I broke the little piece right there which attaches to the keyhole right there. So I have to take the whole thing apart, and I'm gonna show you step by step on how to take the keyhole and the handle off and then replace it. Alright, so I have this door that's opened already. I took all the window levers down so that you can clearly videotape the inside. So in order to take this latch out, first you have to take these handles off right here, and these snap off, so you have to be really careful with them. Once you get that lever off, this pieces just slide out right here. You take this piece out. The same thing for this side. This lifts up. You have to be really gentle because these plastic pieces break off very easily. And you slide this piece out. There's a lever that this is attached right here. This goes up and down right here. So you have to just pull it down and then pull up and then release it from the bottom. And then this piece comes right out. Now, in order for the keyhole to be attached, there's a lever right here. So you basically have to pull the lever out and then slide down. Once you slide down, this piece here comes off. Notice the way it's attached. And then this piece here, there's a screw right here. So you take this screw out. Now I've already loosened this stuff up so it's easy to video. And you just take this piece out. Pops right out. And then the handle comes right out. Just gotta play with it a little bit. Jiggle it. And it comes right out in one piece. Now when you take the latch off, underneath the latch there is a spring underneath there. Just make sure that when you put the spring back, okay, and ignore how it's set right here, but basically this is an example of what it would look like. This is just a duplicate spring that I put in there. And the latch, of course, will have a spring to it once you put that spring back in the proper place. Now this would lay right on there like this with the spring underneath it. So now as you can see, I managed to get the little latch out and the screw for the handle. So this is the handle here, right? And this is my original keyhole. And as you can see, this is the piece that broke off. Now I am very lucky that I do have another door that I was able to get another keyhole out. So it looks exactly the same. And the only thing I'm going to do is just take the broken latch out and just put it on the original keyhole, so I don't have to worry about changing keys. And I still maintain the original key. Now pay really close attention to the spring and notice how it's wound around the keyhole, okay? I mean, if you hold on to it or let it go, it'll try to bounce out. You just gotta hold it down and then put the latch right on top of it. Now this is a complete separate latch that I took out from the other door. And if you notice how it is put together, that's one latch that goes right in there. The second one goes here. And this is the little brace underneath and how it's placed and where it's placed underneath, if you notice. So putting this thing on, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. It requires a lot of patience, but once you get it in there, really easy to latch on. Now getting this handle or this latch off the keyhole, you basically have to push this safety pin off and it'll pop right out.